two more new blisters just formed on top. Here's two blisters, and something just broke here. Oh, we have I believe he just exploded. There's material being vented, probably from the underside. Watch, the internal structure is all changing now. We were just lucky the camera was on. 200 seconds at 1170 hertz, and it's 11th harmonic, 12,870. And he is completely devitalizing in real time. Completely destroyed in a very dramatic way here. Look at that. Notice the spheres forming. Paramecium undergoing complete, utter, total destruction. Let me move him a little to your left there, so you can see it a little better. See all those spheroids that formed? That's very interesting and unique to this process. We can probably highlight those outlines by changing the focus a little bit. Lots of spheres everywhere. And that is the end of a paramecium caused by a plasma light. A rice bear plasma device about 6 inches away. 110 watts.